Hey everyone, welcome back to the Nyedis Anarchy series. I'm your host, Adam, CIO and co-founder of Nyedis, and today I want to talk about a Delinea secret server exploit that's in the wild and allows anyone to get any secret from your on-prem secret server, and it affects every version out there, and it's bad. So Delinea Secret Server has a new patch. The patch is out, so you should go do it. The cloud version of it was also vulnerable. They've already patched that, so if you're a cloud person, you're fine. But if you're an on-prem person, this is something you need to literally just turn this video off and go patch your system. It's that bad. Why is it that bad? One, it's super easy to do. And two, the exploit is in the wild. The guy did not hold back. He just published it. Now, to Johnny Yu's credit, which is the guy that found this whole exploit out, he has a whole record of him trying to contact Delinea saying, hey, I found this problem and here's how to fix it, whatever, and got no response back. So after, I think, months of trying to reach out to them and not getting any answers back, he said, screw it, and just published the whole thing on a Medium article, which is published down below. There's a link for you to click on to read the whole thing. It's very detailed and informative. Great article. But he also walks through and tells you exactly how to exploit it and gives you the exploit code, which is also very simple. Basically, what you're going to do is with Python, you're going to create what's called a golden token, which is getting a bearer token from Delinea and then escalating your privileges to where you can then make a call to the SOAP proxy and then, the SOAP service. And then through the SOAP service, you can then request any password you want and get it back. That's the problem. So if you're not patched and you're not sure how to do it, or it might take too long to get the patch because of your production window times or whatever, turn off the SOAP service. You're probably not even using it. Most people use the REST API and not the SOAP API, so turn off the SOAP API. I think that will pretty much negate it until you get the patch in place, because that's what it's affecting is particular calls in the SOAP API. The exploit is super simple. I replicated it. It took me all of about 10 minutes to do with a Delinea server already set up on my box. So yeah, it's pretty bad. The patch is out there, like I said, on Delinea servers, so go download it and apply it immediately. Big props to Johnny Yu for figuring this out. It's actually pretty impressive what he did and how he was able to reverse that. I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, I'm not going to go into whether or not him disclosing it to the public was good or not, because now everyone that has secret server, if it's public, you're vulnerable. But obviously, as we know, where are your biggest threats? Are your biggest threats going to be the outside world attacking it? No, it's your internal, right? So if someone is like, oh, I can get access to all the keys right now, and they can just run this script and then generate and dump all the passwords out to a local text file and save them, that's bad. And that's something they can do. Also on Delinea's page where they give you the patch and they talk about the exploit, they also give you a bunch of SQL that you can run against your database to see if anyone has already targeted you and has run this attack against you. Basically, it goes through and checks all the SOAP service calls and sees if anyone's called these specific endpoints in this particular way to get data. And if they have, then you know you've been breached, and therefore you know you need to rotate those passwords. So it's kind of nice that there's a way to check to see if you've been breached, because if you are, one, you know real fast you got to fix it, and two, you know, okay, we're okay. It gives you a little sigh of relief. But yeah, this is pretty bad. Exploits in the wild. It works. It's super simple. Anyone can do it. And it's linked everywhere. I mean, it's on the register. It's on all these websites. Everyone's linking to it. I'm talking about it and linking to it. So yeah, if you have a public secret server, you don't want to do that right now. So fix your stuff. Later. Hey everyone, you going to Identiverse this year, May 28th and 29th in Las Vegas? We're going to be there, and we're going to make it awesome. How? We're having a scavenger hunt, where you can win awesome prizes and cool fun stuff like an invite to our private party. The way that you're going to find it is find these little poker chips all over the convention, tap your phone to them, and that's how you're going to start the scavenger hunt. Lots of cool prizes, and not everyone's going to be able to make it. Hope you can do it. I'll see you guys there. Later.